4th graders. Welcome to Unit 4, Week 5, Day 1. We're going to start by reviewing some words with long I. 3, 2, 1, try. 3, 2, 1, write. 3, 2, 1, flies. 3, 2, 1, my. 3, 2, 1, crying. 3, 2, 1, light. 3, 2, 1, fly. 3, 2, 1, pie. 3, 2, 1, write. 3, 2, 1, cries. Okay, this week we are working on long E once more, but today we're focusing just on Y. So we know Y can say I, but it can also say E, as in funny, and EY, which as in key. Okay, so here we go. E, oh, whoops, hold on one second. There. Okay, E, 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 E. E, 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 E. Silly. Word, silly. Okay. Valley. Word, valley. Okay, let's look at our sounds. E or I. 3, 2, 1. Ba. 3, 2, 1. Hap. 3, 2, 1. T. I think that's what they're trying to say. 3, 2, 1. Pup. 3, 2, 1. E. 3, 2, 1. Sit. So if you said kit, remember CI says S. 3, 2, 1. Fuss. 3, 2, 1. Gee. 3, 2, 1. Bag. 3, 2, 1. Knee. 3, 2, 1. I. 3, 2, 1. Ow or O. 3, 2, 1. Sk. 3, 2, 1. I or E. 3, 2, 1. O. Okay, let's read some of these together. Study. Word, study. Okay, so this is E. Lee. Really. A. Baby. Now you know why it says baby. Okay, I'll let you do this one. Word, happy. Together, kitty. Word, kitty. Your turn. Word, puppy. Together, Mickey. Word, Mickey. Your turn. Remember this is word, city. Together, fussy. Word, fussy. Okay, your turn. I'll give you 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Baggy. 3, 2, 1. Buggy. 3, 2, 1. Puppy. 3, 2, 1. Peppy. 3, 2, 1. Penny. 3, 2, 1. Sky. 3, 2, 1. Night. 3, 2, 1. Bowl. So if you said bowel, remember it's O or ow. Whoops. Oh, whoops. Took me all the way back. 1 second. Right here. 3, 2, 1. Tie. 3, 2, 1. Boat. Okay, here we go. The baby is very fussy. So you don't need to say S 2 times. Fussy. Okay, together. The baby is very fussy. Okay, next. Betty. Betty went to the muddy pond. Fluently. Betty went to the muddy pond. Okay. Tommy lost his key in the muddy pond. Again, Tommy lost his key in the muddy pond. Okay. Here are our high frequency words. This is the word found. Read the word with me. Found. The word found is spelled F-O-U-N-D. Spell it with me. F-O-U-N-D. Let's write it in the air. F-O-U-N-D. We found our lost dog. Yeah, that's right. So found. So you can sound that one out. This is the word hard. Read the word with me. Hard. The word hard is spelled H-A-R-D. Spell it with me. H-A-R-D. Let's write it in the air. H-A-R-D. It is not hard to write my name. So this is one you can sound out as well. H-R-D. Hard. This is the word right. Say the word. Read the word with me. Right. The word right is spelled W-R-I-T-E. Spell the word with me. W-R-I-T-E. Let's write it in the air. W-R-I-T-E. It is not hard to write my name. Now there are two kinds of right. This is right, like I made the right choice. This is right, like I'm writing something down. So the W is silent. So the E tickles the I, right. This is the word woman. Read the word with me. Woman. The word woman is spelled W-O-M-A-N. Spell it with me. W-O-M-A-N. Let's write it in the air. W-O-M-A-N. That woman lives near the school. So this one you have to memorize. Woman. So we say woman when it's one. If it's more than one, it's women. So it's woman, one lady. Okay, this is the word near. Read the word with me. Near. The word near is spelled N-E-A-R. Spell the word with me. N-E-A-R. Let's write it in the air. N-E-A-R. That woman lives near the school. So E-A is E. So N-E-R. So you can sound that one out. This is the word would. Read the word with me. Would. The word would is spelled W-O-U-L-D. Spell it with me. W-O-U-L-D. Let's write it in the air. W-O-U-L-D. Would you like to play with us? So would is a rule breaker. You just have to memorize that. But once you know would, you know could, and you know should. Okay. Okay, let's read this together. Dudley the jockey. A jockey is someone who rides a horse. Here we go. Dudley the jockey. Here are words we'll see today. 3, 2, 1. It's. 3, 2, 1. Today. 3, 2, 1. Hard. 3, 2, 1. Have. 3, 2, 1. Some. 3, 2, 1. Would. 3, 2, 1. Woman. See, more than one. Okay. So his name is Dudley. So that's Dudley. And he is a donkey. Okay. I see E here. Okay. Okay, friends. Okay, let's read this together. I am Dudley the donkey. I am a jockey. That means he rides a horse. I ride a fast pony and try to win races. It's my job. Okay. So we have E at the end of this word. Tracy, jockey, pony. There's hard. And Tracy. Okay, ready? Begin. This is Tracy. She is a jockey. So this, the chicken. Jockey 2. She rides pony 5. Today we will race. If I try hard, I think I can beat Tracy. Okay, so let's look for our E's. So this says trace rack and valley. Valley's like by mountains. Tracy. Okay, here we go. Fans have shown up at the racetrack in the valley. Some fans hope Tracy wins. Some fans hope I win. Okay. There's key, city. There's woman, woman, woman. Right. And wood. Okay, here we go. If I win, I will get a key to the city and some cash. A woman might even write a book to tell about my life. That would be nice. Okay, so here he goes. Okay, so we have near, and that's non-stop. Dudley, Dudley, donkey. Okay, here we go. I will ride near the stands. That's where the people are. My fans will yell non-stop, Dudley, Dudley. They will toss donkey treats. Okay, here we go. There's found, and that's awake. Jockey, happy. Okay, here we go. Then I found myself awake. Being a jockey was just a happy daydream. So he was just pretending something he'd like to do but hasn't done. Okay, words such as first, then, next, soon, later, today, tomorrow, yesterday, early, and always tell us when an action takes place. So all of these words are called adverbs, and adverbs tell us when something is happening. So here we go. Penny got a puppy today. So what would my adverb be? Today. Remember, adverbs tell me when. First, she gave him a bath. When? First. That's my adverb. Okay. Penny will take him for a walk later. Think of what your adverb is. It tells us when. It would be later. Okay, let's look at this one. So once more, we're looking at adverbs, and adverbs tell us when something happens. My hamster Izzy wakes me up early. Wakes me early. What's my adverb? If you said early, you're right. Adverbs tell me when something happens. Okay, next. Izzy always kicks shavings out of her cage. Think of when. My adverb is when something happens. If you said always, you'd be right. Izzy always is something that's always happening. That's telling me when it's happening. Okay, friends, we'll talk more about that later. Bye, everyone.